Okay, got something different today. iFlytek AINote 2. This is the 10.3-inch one. This is the box. It's kind of a goldish color. Not a whole lot going on with the box. And indeed it says the color is golden, so there you go. Let's get this plastic off. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Getting the plastic off. Okay. Let's see. So I think it opens up here. It's going to be awkward. That slides off. Now we just got a black box. Okay. iFlytek AINote, your voice, your note. Little instructions on how to turn it on. It's in plastic. Oh, it is so thin. It is very thin. I wonder if I can get this out without destroying the plastic. I hate destroying plastic. I don't think so. Yeah, see already. Well, we're doing a fine job of destroying the plastic, aren't we? Okay. That is so thin. It is so gray. I haven't had an e-ink device since the Books Tab Ultra, which was a Tab Ultra C, which is a color device. This is really, really thin. Alright, this is gonna put that here. I'll let that turn on. Maybe, if it's got power. Ah, okay, that's turning on. We've got pen nibs attached to the manual. That is a thick manual. Wow. Now it's in multiple languages, but English goes till here? Okay, I guess that's not, wow, that's a lot of languages then, isn't it? Okay, big thick manual. And pen nibs. Does that go back in there? Hallelujah. Okay, what is this? This is the cable. Let's see if it's C to C. It is A to C. Okay. And we got the pen. It is actually it's a pretty decent pen. It feels nice. It's got a texture to it. It says iFlytek on it. It's got one button. I don't think that's an eraser. We shall see. It feels pretty decent. I'm not going to go into this too deeply right here. I'm going to have to get it set up, but I wanted to unbox it on camera so you all know that I've got something new coming that we will. It's so thin. It's just as thin as the USB port. So something new and exciting coming on the channel soon. Stay tuned.